Welcome to our 12 Days of Christmas nail art series featuring me, Talia from Talia'S Nail Tales.
And me from Sarah's Nail Secrets. We had so much fun doing the series last year that we're doing it again with 12 new themes.
Be sure to check the description box below for links to last year's videos. Let's get started.
The brush I'll be using in this set is my Glitter Bells by Annabelle number 12 brush. I actually really love this brush. It's an oval brush without a kink in it, and I am surprised by how much I like it. So the green I'm going to be using for the most of this set is from Ugly Duckling. This is number 57, and I've already filed down her past set and prepped her nails. So I'm just coming in and I'm bringing a big bead of that emerald green right at the cuticle area and using the tip of my number 12 brush to push it into place, and then using the belly of my brush to sort of pull the color down the nail. What I really like about the Ugly Duckling colors is they're very smooth and they're not really watery, if you know what I mean. When you place it on the nail, it doesn't really move around. It just kind of goes where you want it to go. I do have a review up of some of Ugly Duckling colors, so if you do want to see that, click the top corner, and I'll leave that in the description box as well. So now I'm just applying more of that color because these nails are quite long, so I did need to add a second bead for the very tip. So then I like to pat my color right into place and make it nice and smooth and even. Any missed spots, I come back in and I apply a little bit more just to fill that in. I repeated that process on all her nails, but I do change it up for her pointer finger in just a second. On her pointer finger, I applied a little bit of a thinner bead this time because I'm going to be encapsulating some inlays on this nail. So just apply a little bit thinner in order to make up for the inlays. So I'm adding these beautiful flakes from the nail team. These are the unicorn flakes. And I just picked up a small bead of clear acrylic and then dip my brush into that jar. I'm just wiping these over this whole nail and kind of doing it a little bit wetter. So now I'm coming in with these amazing stars called angel stars from the nail team as well, just to add a little sparkle and to tie the stars in, because I am adding stars into the snow globe as well. When applying shapes and stuff that you don't want to file away, you want to make sure to apply the bigger, chunkier pieces right in the very center of the nail where it's going to have most coverage from your clear acrylic. So I am encapsulating all these nails using Glam & Glit's new Back to Basics line in the clear acrylic and the monomer. And I'm just going to show you the one nail, and I just applied a little bit near the cuticle area, and now I'm just using my number 12 brush to drag it down the nail. This brush holds a lot of liquid, so I find it makes it a little bit easier to encapsulate longer nails because you have more time to work with your acrylic. I know that some people like to see finish filing and other people don't, so I will leave a timestamp right at the bottom here and you can skip ahead. But for those who do want to see it, I'm taking a fine safety bit and I'm going around the cuticle area with this, and I'm using this to debulk the nails before hand filing. So I did buy this bit a little bit ago, and I have been using it for a little while. I'm not a huge fan of it, to be honest. I feel like it's too bulky for what I need it for, so I will be switching my finish filing routine again in a few videos. You guys will see that I won't be using this anymore because I really don't like it that much. So if you are interested in getting this, don't get the fine grit, get a medium grit. So now I'm coming in and I'm just removing some of the stuff from underneath her nail. So she got her natural nail, some color, and a little bit of the acrylic that has gone down the sides. So I'm just removing that and helping this become a little bit more even and making my C curve a little bit better. So I'm just coming in with an 80 grit hand file. I'm just using this to fix up my sidewalls, and then I use this to go over the whole nail. This helps even it out and helps debulk the nail as well as finish my shaping. So I really like to keep most of my bulk right in the very center of the nail, and I spend a lot of time debulking and thinning out the sidewalls and the areas at the side of the tip and the areas at the side of the cuticle area while keeping a lot of my strength right in the center. Sometimes I'm asked to show the side, so here's the tip, and then here is both the side views. So I did buff the nails and cleanse them, and now I'm coming in with this black foil gel. So I got this from the Ugly Duckling 5K event. I have no idea where you can get it, I'm so sorry. But if I do find an alternative, I will stick that in the description box. So here I'm just drawing the shape of my snow globe. So I only cured that for 10 seconds in my Cura Sky lamp. And now I'm coming in with some transfer foil and just pushing that into that gel. I really wish I had some tiny snowflakes or something else, but all I had were these tiny stars. I got these from Glitter Heaven, Australia, and I'm just applying some green ones into my snow globe, but to be honest, I ended up making my snow globe look like a fortune ball, so whoops. But you guys know it's supposed to be a snow globe, so whatever. So now to build up my snow globe fortune teller ball, I'm using Light Elegance Cool Gel, and I just picked up a big bead of it onto this little brush, and I'm just swirling it in a circle all around and trying to build that up. I had her flip her hand to help it self-level before curing, and then off camera I did actually make this a little bit bigger, so it will look bigger in the end. So now I'm coming in with this gold metallic buttercream from Light Elegance. I'm just coloring in what I would consider the base of my snow globe. So I was finding that the snow globe kind of blended into its base, so I did apply some black to give it dimension, but I didn't film that, so that was done off camera. But you can see it now that the snow globe is bigger and has a little bit more dimension to it. So now I'm coming in with my Ugly Duckling Stick It glue. This is what I use to glue on crystals because it is the best. And I'm coming in with some big crystals here. The green one, I have no idea where I got that, but the little opal one I got from Crystal Princess. And this month you can use my code Sarah10 and you'll get 10% off. So here I'm just coming in with these tiny little silver beads just to give the design a little bit more. And then I gave that a cure. And now before finishing this set, I have to apply top coat because I am doing like a hand-painted sugar design. So I'm using my Cura Sky No Wipe top coat. And make sure you don't get it on top of your crystals because you will kind of ruin their shine. So just do it around the crystals and not on top. So when doing my snow globe, I did apply this on top of the snow globe as well. For the design, I'm using the silver metallic buttercreams from Light Elegance, and the brush I'm using here is my Egoista brand art brush. I absolutely love this brush. I'm just doing some lines just randomly, and then I'm just sprinkling some clear acrylic mixed with glitter on top, just to give it a sugar effect. So you'll want to give that a full cure and then wipe off any of the extra dust, and here is the finished design. Okay, so I know this set has total fortune teller vibes. I did not mean to do that. I actually really wanted to do like an emerald green elegant set, but this just turned out a little bit more magical than I had envisioned, which is okay. Sometimes things don't turn out exactly the way you want, but this is what I did. And then make sure to check out what Talia did. Her snow globe turned out much more like a little snow globe with the little house inside. It's so cute. I love the plaid as well. So make sure you check out her channel for her 12 days of holiday nail art as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!